Vigilant, people-oriented, earnest, dedicated to excellence. FX Unity. Dubai is a modern and international metropolis, as the richest and most populous city of the United Arab Emirates. Dubai is also the economic and financial center of the Middle East. FX Unity strives to set sail from Dubai and deliver the best financial services and products to the rest of the world, while continuing to grow and build on its solid foundation. FX Unity's top management has many years of business experience in oil, ranging from the extraction and logistics of crude oil, the trading of oil, to the trading of oil futures products by employing the best people in the business and through consistently delivering sound professional and positive results. FX Unity has quickly become one of the select few oil specialist companies held in high regard, as is quickly becoming Asia's most popular alternative investment firms. China is building a new world-class economic zone at Shanghai's Shenzhen, also known as the Manhattan of Pearl River Delta Economic Zone. In preparation for this historical decision, FX Unity responded with equally dynamic plans. The management has decided to increase its focus on the Asian market and build a successful Asia HQ in China in next 5 years. Leveraging on the exceptional advantages of Shenzhen-Shanghai Economic Zone, FX Unity will be able to bring a whole new spectrum of investment products from the Middle East to Asian customers, while establishing an Asian foothold to bridge future opportunities between China and the Middle East. At FX Unity Energy and Commodities, every client is an important friend to us. Our teams provide the best customized tools, financial products, and services to achieve a transparent, consistent cross-border investment experience, so our clients enjoy peace of mind while growing their wealth steadily. The FX Unity team aims to be the best financial services company in the world, striving to improve our core competencies at every level and to give our clients the best we have to offer. At FX Unity, we create customized, diversified, and consistently profitable investment products for every client. With FX Unity, clients can enjoy and monitor cross-border investment opportunities as they have access to individual accounts, personal account managers, and detailed monthly reports. Our powerful applications make use of the most advanced and efficient trading technologies in the world to deliver trading information to every client account. Our dedicated trading teams monitor the markets 24 hours a day in order to select the most appropriate investment strategy at every point in time. Choose FX Unity, fulfill your investment's goals, and build a better future with us.